Hey folks, and welcome to this premium analysis of the American dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Okay, so looking on the daily chart, we can see several things. We are stuck in a slight range, so let's just put that on there. Okay, before we do that, where do we have price inefficiencies? Let me use a different tool. We've got this here a little bit. We've got something here below price. We've got this. Okay, and we've got this. Okay, so this brings our attention to some buy zones. The buy zone is right there. It's probably a nice 4-hour demand right there, which we'll dig down and have a look at in a second. We've also got this area of supply right here that has not yet been tested, you can see. So prices moving back up to this level here. I can't see what that is. I'll use a different tool in a second. I think we're probably going to see an influx of of shorts as price enters the sell zone, historically responsible for removing whatever demand we had here, tested once, twice, consumed by this just here. Okay, so let's put a tool, the rectangle on. We'll just box the whole area off. We've got that there. We've got a buy zone in there. We can't see what it is. We've also got this area here that was tested once, twice, 3 times and removed by this. Okay, so there's something in here that is also going to provide some support. We'll let that update for a second, color it red for us. So shorting it around the 1.3 is not a terribly bad idea. Just up here in this area of supply, sell zone, sell zone, sell zone. Okay, and we have some potential long opportunities at the 125.46. So going to the 4-hour chart, we can probably see what this looks like. I'm sure there's a nice pattern in there. Yeah, you can see it really nicely here on the 4-hour chart, somewhere around here. Okay, so this is a lovely area of demand. This here is responsible. This is the origin of the move that is responsible for, let me get that update, there we are, for price tearing through this. Let me draw that properly. Okay, so it's tested once, twice, removed by this. Okay, that's an important one. Above price, what do we have? We have this, but this didn't really do anything, did it? This is just price rebalancing, this price inefficiency. Okay, going back to the origin, which is essentially here. This was tested several times. Let's do this properly. Right here, parent, child, tested, removed by this. And I say this one here because this is the move that went through this. The origin of that move is where the slingshot was pulled back to, which is right here at this 4-hour area of supply. Tested beautifully, came close, went a little bit deeper, went up to the sell zone for the the area just above. You can see these wicks here pointing to an area just above. Okay, so tested once on the release, almost there again. Price went all the way through it, so now it's gone, and so you would want to look higher. For the time being, we've got this that I would focus on, and above price, let's have a look. Above price, we have some daily interest around here. Okay, tested, release, slingshots, pull back, and then a departure. Not a huge departure as you can see, but a departure nonetheless. What I like as well here is testing, and then price finally moved down. So we do have a couple of areas here. We've got this one here. Okay, this one tested it, and then we have this one here. This is the slingshot. We mark that whole area off, something like that. So if we zoom out a little bit, then we can see where that is relative to price, quite a bit above price. Okay, so this is the one that's easiest, so keep your eyes on that. That would be a beautiful area. Alternatively, we have this one down here, and maybe a small reason to buy it from around here. Okay, good. So I'm going to leave it at that. Have any questions, let me know. Thanks once again for watching.